Van life sounds amazing until you start missing the little things from home. One of the biggest challenges people run into is the lack of basic comforts, especially something as simple as having a proper bathroom. A lot of vans just don't have the space, so you end up with makeshift setups that aren't exactly ideal. But what if you didn't have to compromise? That's exactly what the Mare Camper is trying to solve. This new concept build from Wheelhouse GmbH is all about bringing real luxury into van life without giving up the essentials. It recently made its debut at a major travel show in Stuttgart, and it's turning heads for a reason. The idea behind this camper is simple. Van life should feel comfortable, not like a downgrade. And right away, it stands out because it actually includes a full bathroom. Not a cramped corner or a hidden toilet, but a proper wet bath that feels surprisingly spacious for a van. And it manages to fit all of this into a 7-meter setup based on a Mercedes Sprinter. One of the smartest features here is the modular design. During the day, the rear area gives you space to sit, relax, or dine. The bed is partially tucked away, leaving room for a cozy dinette or lounge. When it's time to sleep, you just pull out an extension and transform the space into a full-size bed that's comfortable enough for 2 adults. It's a clever system that makes the most out of every inch. The layout is designed so you don't lose functionality either. Even when the bed is set up, the kitchen is still usable, which is a huge plus. And during the day, the seating area can turn into an L-shaped lounge, making it feel more like a living room than a van. Speaking of the kitchen, it's got everything you'd expect, but with a more refined touch. There's a sleek black stainless steel sink, a hidden induction cooktop, and a cover that doubles as extra counter space when you're not cooking. You also get a compact fridge, deep storage drawers, and plenty of cabinets throughout the van. Storage in general is a big focus here. There's space under the seats, overhead cabinets, and even a well-designed rear garage. You can load longer items through a hatch, and everything is lined to prevent noise while driving. It's clear a lot of thought went into making this practical, not just pretty. The materials are where things really start to feel premium. You'll find wool finishes on the walls and ceiling, high-quality fabrics, and carefully crafted details throughout. It gives the whole interior a warm, upscale feel that's closer to a boutique apartment than a typical camper van. And then there's the bathroom, which is honestly the highlight. It sits right by the sliding door, making it easy to access. And it's fully customizable. The version shown includes a heated shower tray, stylish black fixtures, and a cassette toilet. It's a setup you'd rarely expect in a vehicle this size. On the tech side, it's fully equipped for modern travel. There's a hybrid heating system, roof-mounted air conditioning, a powerful battery setup, and even heated water tanks. It's also completely gas-free, which is becoming a big deal for safety and sustainability. Performance-wise, it comes with 4-wheel drive, a strong engine, and an automatic transmission, making it capable on a variety of terrains. It's clearly designed for couples who want to travel comfortably, with enough room for a pet as well. Now, when it comes to price, there's no official number, and that usually tells you everything you need to know. This is a fully customizable high-end build, so the cost will depend on what you choose. But considering similar, simpler models already go for well over 170,000 euros, this one is definitely in the luxury category. At the end of the day, the Mare Camper is trying to redefine what van life can be. Instead of sacrificing comfort, it leans all the way into it. And for anyone who loves the idea of life on the road but doesn't want to give up the feeling of home, this might be exactly what they've been waiting for.